Hi, this is Syafire, and this is my first vlog. Hello and welcome, gems. This is my first vlog. Oh my god. Hello, gems. It is so exciting to be able to vlog such a beautiful event like this. I had such a good time and I met so many inspiring artists and learned about their journey and how they got to where they are now. I hope by sharing this vlog with you that you can take some inspiration from this journey as well. Now, this was my first vlog, so there was definitely a lot of errors and a lot of things that went wrong, but we set some goals and had some missions to be able to accomplish throughout this journey. So let's see how well we did with accomplishing all of our goals. We have a very special guest with us going to the convention, and this is...
Hey, it's Mama Fire, and I'm cosplaying as Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman! What does the song go like?
Wonder Woman!
And we're on our way to the convention! Are you excited?
Yes!
Yeah! Yo, we're here. There's a huge line over there, and I'm pretty nervous. There's our mountain view. It's absolutely gorgeous. We love Utah, so beautiful. Even got like somebody over here with that like Sailor Moon sunroof, dude. Big hype, dude. Everybody's on brand right now. Yo, look at this lightsaber. Let's go. Alright, so we are here. We're super duper pumped up. We're super excited. There's so many cool cosplays. We got our lanyards. Look at how cute. We're walking in. Look at all the art. Oh my goodness. Dude, your whole essence just shifts because you're surrounded by cool people and cool art, and it's just wonderful. How are you feeling so far? How's the art making you feel?
Ooh, very creative.
Yes. I think that settles it. I think my first goal for this vlog is to touch some grass because, you know, VTubers, they don't get out much. Yes, dude, conventions are back. It feels wonderful. Dude, here we go. Touching grass. It feels so good. This was a bad idea. I literally have grass in my hair, guys. That was probably the worst idea ever. Let's get on to the real goals for the vlog. So I have a few goals overall that I really want to accomplish while at the Anime Town Utah convention. And number one is to connect with my fans, to connect with you lovely beans. Yeah, the only fan that I actually met at the con was my mom. So, hey gems, make sure you come to the next convention I'm at so I'm not so lonely. But I love you, Mom. Thank you. And then number two is we have a member in the community that absolutely is a little bit obsessed with Sinon. We know that Star is obsessed with Sinon because as you can see here, Star states, Autumn, if they take Sinon, I will shut down Epic Games faster than Zenyatta shuts down Genji's chance of getting any Dragon Blade kills. Lol, XD, and Autumn responds, don't let them take Sinon. Yeah, he's obsessed with her. She has blue hair, and obviously blue-haired waifus are the best. No bias or anything. And we have to find a Sinon at this convention because I told Lion I would look for one, and if I find one, she's gonna be in here. I'm sorry, Lion. We didn't find any Sinon cosplays. Maybe next year? We've had 2 goals so far that haven't gone great. I have one fan, which is my mom, and now I haven't found the Sinon cosplay for Lion. This is a disaster. And then also for our third mini goal, I want to be able to capture some moments with some League cosplayers because for anybody who doesn't know a lot about my background, I used to play a ton of League of Legends. I love Riot Games and their art team, and I actually won state champs with my high school team a few years back, so we gotta represent the League of Legends cosplays and admire their work. Ooh, and guess what? guess what? We found so many epic League cosplayers. So we're at Anime Town, Utah, and one of our goals, as you know, was to find League cosplayers. Now we have a Kaisa here. Did you make this cosplay yourself? Did you order it?
I ordered it from Mike's Costumes.
Awesome. I love Mike costumes. They're fantastic.
They
right?
are.
Awesome. So what brought you to the con?
We live in Idaho, actually. We were wanting to go to a convention. This is only like 4.5, 5 hours away or so. So we're like, hell yeah, weekend trip.
Oh, heck yeah. And how have you been enjoying it so far?
Good. There's a lot. I got my boy here.
Heck yeah. Well, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right, we're here, Anime Town, Utah. We're back. We've got Arcane Vi. We have Jinx. I actually don't know what your cosplay is.
I'm from Promare. I'm Leopodia.
You're beautiful.
So we're real sisters, which is, you know, like actual sisters. So cool. 4 years apart.
Do you feel like you actually represent your, do you feel like you're Vi and she's Jinx / Powder?
I hope I'm not. I mean, I sure hope I haven't hurt you that much.
Did she?
No.
No, okay.
Definitely not. We're very close, so it's not very similar, yeah.
Right.
But we love each other.
We love each other.
And fight.
Dude, I legit just felt my hairnet pop off during
Uh-oh.
All right, we gotta hear some voice lines. Have you guys been practicing any voice lines? Jinx or Vi?
Yeah, she's the voice actor.
Oh, you are? All right, let's the camera's on you. We're rolling.
Hey there, Cupcake. You're a Jinx.
Yeah, they were pretty awesome, and we just had Vi straight up bully her sister and then take a sip of her Ramune. Absolute savage. I am so glad we met these League cosplayers. And then we have 3 big major goals, what the main mission of this vlog is, and that is number 1, of course, to learn how to vlog better, because I have lots of ideas for fun stuff that we get to do together. This was a disaster. You gotta be kidding me. I already have grease on my skirt. I keep looking at my mic too, and I keep looking at myself and not the camera. Man, this is gonna be difficult. And I can't even tell you how many times the mic was in the shot. But fear no more, gems. We will move on to our second goal, which was the most successful and amazing and wonderful part of literally this entire vlog. And number 3, the probably biggest and most important goal in the whole section, and what I want this vlog to be, is to meet artists in the artist alley, for those of them that are okay with being filmed, and ask them about their journey of being an artist, so we can get inspiration, motivation, and education out to the eternal gems. How to stay motivated, inspired, and how to do all these things that an artist does at a convention. So something we really try to emphasize is we want to help spread creativity and learn about your journey as an artist. How did you get here? Why are you here, and sort of what's your mission? So we have Jessie here with us. They go by they and them. And Jessie, so why did you start creating art?
Okay, so a little bit longer story than you'd probably like, but I've actually been in the community for going on 16 years now.
16 years.
Hi, I'm Jenna. My name
I love
is
it.
a lemon leaf on Instagram.
Oh, cute.
TikTok.
How did you choose the name of Lemon Leaf?
I like lemons.
You like what?
I think
Sure, my name is Sam Sawyer, and this is all my art here.
Sam Sawyer, awesome, beautiful. Found another VTuber at Anime Town, Utah. Yes, tell us your name.
I'm Terry. I go by Terry. I'm Terry Brush on Twitch. Hi there, my name is Moon. I am the owner of Certified Sim.
This was one of my favorite things to do, to interview artists and hear their stories. This was so cool that I decided I'm gonna turn it into a whole separate video so we can really honor everything they had to say. So be looking out for that video, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can watch it next week. All right, let's see how day 2 went. Yo guys, day number 2, Anime Town, Utah. We got the KDA All Out Ari cosplay. Here, we still got the mobile first, of course, but we're about to rock it. Super excited to meet some more, hopefully, League cosplayers. I have some more prints I want to get. Hopefully you get to meet the voice actor for Uncle Iroh. We're gonna get a signature hopefully from him. So it's about to be awesome. Let's do this!
At every con, you always need to make sure that you bring as much fan service as possible to make your followers happy. Get it, got it.
Can I get your picture?
Oh, hell yeah. So,
Jumping up there?
yeah, you didn't know this, but now we're in a popularity contest. I'm gonna help you fit vlog you.
How is it going?
It's so much fun!
Did you go to day 1 or is this your first day?
This is my first day.
Let's go!
I'm so excited.
Yeah!
I'm going tomorrow.
Oh, you're coming tomorrow?
Yeah.
too?
What are you most excited about?
I'm actually kind of excited about their voice actor turnout. It's actually pretty good. I'm really impressed with it.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we got day number 2. We're walking in. We got all the beautiful art. It's about to be amazing.
Day number 2, and we're going strong. I was very anxious for day number 2. There was just something that was like getting to me. I don't know what it was, and I was nervous, but remember the fan guy that we met earlier? Yeah, his name is Nate, and he asked me to join these other two like girls that were dressed up in cute anime costumes to join them in dancing, and I have been dancing a lot in VR lately. So I was kind of nervous, but I was like, oh yeah, I do this all the time. And I joined them, and I didn't know the moves, but we followed along, and it was so awesome. It really showed me my passion for dancing and how just I want to include more of it in my life. It was a really epic moment. And let's see what that looked like. Yay! It was so much fun! Next, let's hear from our Jinx and Vi friends cosplaying as Demon Slayer cosplays on day 2.
Day number 2, we got Demon Slayer cosplays, right? Say your cosplay and your favorite thing about the convention so far, alright?
Shinobu, and I think it's all the merch. There's so much good stuff.
Zenitsu, Demon Slayer, of course. Probably just goofing around, honestly. I'm Gyu, and the Demon Slayer panel was pretty fun.
Alright, cool!
Round 1. Fight! Victory!
Alright, hey guys, so this is one of my friends from the anime club, and it's super duper awesome. You want to introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Anthony.
Hi,
I like
Anthony.
anime.
What's your favorite anime?
What's my favorite anime? Clearly it's going to be the best anime of all time, Full Metal Alchemist.
Full Metal Alchemist, still haven't seen it. I know y'all are about to be in the comments like, Saya, why you not watching Full Metal Alchemist?
I don't think we can be friends, actually.
Alright, gotta go, peace out. No, just kidding. Alright, show them your phone. So the first time we met, I saw this man pull out this phone and I was like, what is this? What did you tell us about your phone?
It's just a normal smartphone. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, totally normal.
Yeah, you just watch YouTube videos on it just like you do any other phone. See? You can perfectly normal.
Bye! Hello, back at day 2. Awesome, so we're here with Darian, we're here with Jenna. How has day 2 been going for you? Yeah, it's awesome. So what's been your favorite part about the convention so far?
I just really enjoy meeting people, and I enjoy people being able to look at my stuff.
Siri, how's it going? How you feeling?
Good, it's really hot here.
It's extremely hot. It's been So what has been your favorite thing throughout the convention so far?
Probably cosplaying. I had my wig and everything earlier, but I got too hot, so I took it off. I'm not really full-on cosplay before.
First time cosplay, let's go! Hello, we have another lead cosplay. As you guys know, one of my goals was to find as many lead cosplayers as possible. We found a Seraphine, so tell us about your cosplay.
I am doing a bunny suit Seraphine. I cannot remember the artist, but if you look up bunny suit Seraphine, you will find the artist.
What has been your favorite part about the convention so far?
I just got here, but any convention my favorite is definitely Artist Alley. I love supporting artists. It's like my favorite thing.
Yes,
so.
and yours, Jens, the lighting is kind of insane right now. The sun is like blaring on my eyes, but this is the situation we're in. So overall, I think that this was a really cool and fun experience to do this first vlog and really just see what it's like to do vlogging at a convention. I was very tense on the first day, and on the second day, I was a lot better. Like, I was tense in the morning, but I eased up and I was able to talk to people a lot more freely and feel much more natural in my vlogging state. The first day I was very nervous and it was very new, so that was really scary. And I was shaking a lot, so. But overall, it was a very good time, and I'm excited I did this, and I'm so glad we could hear about so many artist journeys and stories, and that was probably one of the coolest parts. Mama Fire, you got anything to say?
Just love seeing all the wigs and the colorful costumes, and the way people really get into their characters was really fun during the contest when they did their poses. So overall, wonderful artists and some really beautiful artwork. Glad people have a chance to sell it there.
Yeah, so it was awesome, Gems. I would record this ending in my studio, but I gotta take off this wig and I'm done with this whole thing. So, but it was a fantastic experience. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you next time on the Sapphire Star. Bye!